Here we have a crayfish dissection for my zoology students, Biol G182 at Golden West College in Huntington Beach, California. We'll start with our dorsal gross anatomy. Here we have the rostrum, the compound eyes, the cephalothorax, the abdomen. Here we have the telson, and then on left and right we have two uropods. We're looking at our lateral view of our crayfish now. And here we have the antennules. Here we have antennae, plural for antenna. This is a cheliped, and this is another cheliped. We have 8 periopods. Underneath, we have little flappy pleopods. Looking at our ventral anterior view, here we have a maxilliped and a maxilla. There are 3 pairs of these. And then this hard crunchy thing is the mandible. And now we have our dissection of the cephalothorax. What I've done is I've made a dorsal incision down the length of the animal here, and it's not mid-sagittal, and that's on purpose. So we're going to go ahead and remove the carapace and show the insides. We'll work from posterior to anterior. Down here we have the gonads, and here's the heart. And if you make a mid-sagittal incision, usually you foul the heart, so you can't find it. Here's the hepatopancreas. All of this color up here is hepatopancreas. Differentiating between the hepatopancreas and the gonads is pretty easy. Hepatopancreas is usually dorsal, and the gonads are usually ventral. Here we have the mandibular muscle. Here's a big space where the stomach was removed, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Here we have the antennal or green glands. Antennal glands is the modern term for it. And you can see these 2 nerves end in a little nodule right here at the anterior part. And those are called the supraesophageal ganglia. As mentioned before, we have removed the stomach, and I've done a mid-sagittal incision down the middle of the stomach, and I've removed some of the contents so that we can see the gastric teeth.